In this guide, you learn how to check password on Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Head over to the option settings. Click on the option account info. Once you're over here, you're going to find all their details. Now you're going to find the option of password over here. Click on that. You will get this kind of pop-up. Now you are able to set new password for your account, but your current password won't be visible. It's important to know that Roblox app does not actually show your current password for security reasons, so you won't be able to directly view it inside the app. Instead, if you need to change it, you can reset your password or set up a passkey option, which allows you to sign in without typing your password every time. Just follow the prompts and complete the setup. But there is a workaround. If you are on iOS and if you have saved your Roblox password before, you can launch your passwords app, close this, navigate to app library, search for passwords and launch it. Click on all section. Here you're gonna find different website along with the password. From these, find Roblox, click on that, click on the password option. You'll be prompted to use your Face ID, and with that your Roblox account's password will be visible. Likewise, if you have used Chrome to log into Roblox, you can launch that browser. Now click on three dots given at the bottom right, select the option Password Manager. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find various websites along with the password. In this list you will find Roblox as well. Click on that, click on the password option, and your password will be visible. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.